Hi everyone, how are you doing today? If you like rum or coffee, I think you will enjoy today's video. Today we're gonna make coffee and Cuban. I found this recipe in this wonderful book that has great coffee based recipes, and today I want to share one of those. So it's really simple one. Let's not waste more time and start with it. We take our shaker, and to the shaker we add 45 mils or ounce and a half of rum. The recipe calls for moderately aged, preferably Cuban rum, but any kind of Spanish style rum should do the trick. So 45 mils or ounce and a half. Okay. And then 1 ounce of espresso. If you don't have espresso, you can also use cold brew. And 7.5 mils or quarter of an ounce of brown sugar syrup. Instead, I'm using dark cane sugar syrup. I think it adds a little bit more flavor. I have a sweet tooth, so I'm hoping all of the sweetness will enter to the shaker. Then we're gonna add some ice. Damn. And we're gonna shake it as there is no tomorrow. Nice. So that's the glass I'm gonna use, and we're gonna double strain. The recipe calls for rocks glass with no added ice. There, maybe. Okay, now we are talking. Looks great. Done with that. And the garnish should be some grated nutmeg on top. I think one day I will grate my fingers as well. Okay, so that is how you make the coffee and Cuban. As a decoration or a garnish, the recipe also calls for dark chocolate with sea salt sprinkled on top. However, I think it's a little bit easier just to use dark chocolate with sea salt. And also the recipe calls for a nice touch to put aside a cigar. So I need to say thanks to a friend of mine. The other day I asked, okay, do you know where I can get some cigars? And next day he came to work with one of those. So thank you, Bastian, for supporting the video. And we have the cigar, and we're ready to have a wonderful afternoon. Before that, let's take a sip and see how it tastes. Wow, it's kind of conflicting flavors because I have the strong smell from the nutmeg, so my brain somehow thinks, okay, it will be a winter or kind of cold weather cocktail, but then the wonderful balance between the coffee and the rum makes it super refreshing at the same time. So I think it's a really nice drink, but also it's challenging your senses in a way. Basically that's it. I really like it. I love coffee and I like rum. So I think if you are one of these people that enjoy one of these, or preferably both of the main ingredients, feel free to give it a try and let me know down in the comments what you think about it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers everyone.